Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can add money to your PayPenny account. In order to do so, let's check in with Cider AI. According to Cider, first thing you're going to want to do is open up your PayPenny app and log into your account. Navigate to the wallet or balance section, usually found on the home screen. Look for an option like add money or top up. Tap on this option. You may be prompted to select how you want to add money. Common methods includes bank transfer, credit or debit card, or a third-party payment. Next, you want to enter the amount and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. You may need to enter your password or use biometric verification for security. After successful completion, your new balance should be reflected in your account. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you want to take advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider. Go ahead and click on that link to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.